In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this little small mini air compressor from the company WARWOLF. You know what? Just looking over the box here, it's great for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls. You know what? I'm sure they've got everything in here. I've actually taken it out and kind of looked over it and verified that it was charged and everything. That's the actual unit itself right here. You know what? Looking over that, that looks cool, does it? Let's see if it's still holding a charge. Hold it down for a few seconds. Bam, it is on. And then inside the package here, you get the actual nozzle here. This is the inflation nozzle right there. This is cool. They actually included a DC outlet. So you get a 12-volt outlet there, a USB-C charger, and a little pack that's for an inflatable pool ring or something like that. That's for a Presto valve, and that's for a basketball needle or football or soccer ball or something like that. To work this, you're just gonna screw this in right here. And the actual compression on this thing, they got it. Inflation pressure can go from 2 PSI to 160 PSI, which is massive. That's like the size of a tractor trailer tire. But today, what we're gonna do, let's just go over here. I'm gonna let a little air out of my car tire and just verify this thing works. It's at 35 PSI, and that's about what I run my car at. So let's take it over there and put this thing to the test, because right now it looks kind of cool. Okay, let's take this off. So currently, I should have enough, you know, inflation in my tire, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually let it down a little bit. So we've got it on, we've got it screwed in there. Oh, by the way, there is a little light right here. Check out that little LED light. So if we're doing this at night, we've got that little LED, and we've got like a SOS light, because if we were inflating it on the side of a road or something, we could leave that there, and it just gives a little more visibility. If you want to go through the different settings, you can go through, see bicycle 38, 8 on the ball, and back a 100, that's the custom. See, I can go down and make it a custom, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna do car. We got it ready. Now, as soon as I stick it all the way on there, now you got it, and let me move you in a little closer. You see right here, I'm at 30 PSI, so we need to go up to 5. It should have an auto shut off, so what I'm gonna do is just set it right here, and let's see if it goes through. Well, it already went to 1. So we're up 31. Let's see if it goes, when it gets on 34, I'll come back and we'll see if it does a shut off. We just went to 34.5. Is it gonna turn off at 35? There it is. Everybody, the automatic shut off worked great. We're at 35 PSI on that. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a small kind of tire inflator to carry with them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WARWOLF, you know, tire inflator. See you on the next video.